Hey there everyone, you're watching Tech Unicorn channel. I'm your Akash. I'm here with another video. In this video, we are gonna unbox Xiaomi Mi Max 2. This one. It is a huge phone, so we are gonna unbox this. It's a 2017 released phone, so at that time I had a phone, so I didn't buy it. So now I don't have a phone, so technically I bought it and I'm gonna unbox it. So let's begin the video. So as I said in this video, we are gonna unbox this Mi Max 2. Before that, I would like to say, if you are interested in unboxing, review or technical stuffs, please hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon also, because I try to put everyday videos because sometimes it gets delayed. Leave that, but subscribe the channel. So let's begin the video. See, it says made in India. So no phone is actually made in India, it's assembled in India. And it says Mi Max 2 and 16.4 centimeters display. It's actually 6.65 inches display and 5300 mAh battery contains. It is a good battery, like a huge battery. And it says Mi Max 2, Mi Max 2, and back of the box it says 16.4 displays, the same as actually, and it says dual stereo speakers. So what happens, where the earpiece comes, it changes into the actually a speaker, and the backfiring speakers are like downfiring speakers are there, because both speakers work together. And it has 4GB RAM, 64GB storage, and it contains 2.5D curved glass. So it supports double 4G LTE SIMs. You can use both of them as 4G. So it is great, and actually it is a full HD panel, so it is a good thing. So let's open it. Okay, so it says 4GB / 64GB internal storage. Mi Max 2, Mi Max 2, and Mi branding, the same thing again. So here is our huge phone, so I would keep it here and look after that. So here comes a letter from them, like saying that thank you for closing something, and here is our SIM ejector tool, and here is some warranty and all, and here is our charger. Here's no headset. Actually they have not given headset, but there is a headset port. So it is a not normal charger, it is a Qualcomm quick charge supported charger. It gives 12 volts 1.5 amps out, so it is a great charger. And USB to USB-C port. I love this port because USB is normal USB port will be like normal. I don't like it actually. So here's also, we will go to the overview. So as you can see, actually it has a camera at a pretty good spot. It is a 12 megapixel camera, and it has a dual LED flash, and it has a pretty good fingerprint which gives you access up pretty instant. And it is having a power button and volume rockers as usual, as it has a IR sensor also, which is you can use it as a remote also. And it is having a headset, and the color of the band is not visible directly. If you see, the antenna bands are there, but it is normally not visible. And the normal things like camera sensors are also there, and it is having a pretty good speaker. So let's see the internal, how it looks and what it has. Actually I have used this phone for like half an hour, so I have used it so pretty that and it is having 7.1.1 Android actually, and MIUI, if you take, it is having 9.5. So it is a pretty good thing. So we will see what is my opinion on this phone. So let's go. As per my opinion goes, so it's my initial opinion. I will give a review, complete review, after using this phone for a long time, because I cannot give you now to consider this buying or not, because if I do that, I will give a false opinion about this, because I am a mid person, because it is using MIUI. I don't like MIUI, so I will criticize that. So it is a different thing. Like if I love using it, I can say that yes, it is a good phone. But in initial opinions, it is a great phone because it's having a Snapdragon 625 chipset. It is good, pretty good for 16,000 rupees. It is good, and it is having 12 megapixel, and the front camera is not so good. Like when we click our photos, it is not good because it's having 5 megapixel only, so it's not good for selfies. If you're kind of person who goes for selfies, go for Oppo and Vivo, because it is good for that purpose. So it is not good for that selfies, but it is good for normal photos. You can take it as, but it is bit of good, so you can go for that. It is a mid-range. Like I will approve it or not approve it. I will say it is good or not after the review. I mean after I use it for a long time for giving a review. So after 2 or 3 days the review will come, see that, and if I say buy it, you can probably buy it. So that's all for this video. If you like this video, give it a fat thumbs up, or share with your friends, and subscribe this channel, and click the bell icon also. If you don't like this video, give it a fat thumbs down symbol, so I will feel sad about it, and you can give the comment why do you don't like it, and you can give suggestion for the future videos. That's all for this video. Tata, bye, peace.